BCom 3rd Sem Computer Application. Today's topic is text functions of MS Excel. Excel is the mostly about the numerical data, as we already know. So it can handles the text functions also. The first one is, you can see, you can use the left function when you want to extract the leftmost character from a string. String means here the group of characters. So we have to write for that syntax as shown in the screen. Equal to sign, left, then open bracket, write a text and num character. So where you are going to shift that one. For example, they have given. Similarly, you can use the write function to extract the rightmost character from a string. So here you can see the example below. So in the A column, first row, learn Excel easily. So in the B column, we are getting a learn, means the left side of the word learn comes, the 5 characters of the learn comes to the B column. So it is very easy to handle using a left function, same as it is as a right function also. The second one, so here the right functions also they have given the example, you can see with the red color border. The second one, len function. The len function in the Excel helps you to know the length of a string, that is number of characters in a string. So syntax equal to len, write a text in between the len, so we can get a length of that string. So here you can see the example. In the A column, first row, learn Excel easily. So how many characters it includes? LEARN, learn 5 character, then EXCEL 5, then EASILY easily 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total 18 characters we can get here. So including space also we are getting a 18. So in the B column, A first row, we are getting length is A1, length is 18. A1 means the address of that cell. A column, first row. The third one, mid. So mid function in Excel is used to extract the characters. Exactly, we can extract the character from the middle of the string. String means we already know group of the characters. Syntax. So what is the syntax? Equal to mid, mid, write a text, starting character. So number characters, how many numbers we want to extract it from the middle. So here you can always here you can see the below example. So same, first row, A column. So we are going to extract the applied syntax for the B column, the first row. We are getting Excel. Next, find. So find function in the Excel is used when you want to know the position of a certain characters in a particular string. For example, they have given equal to sign, find text. Within a text, you can find from where you are going to start, give a comma and write in the open close bracket, that one, start num. So from where it going to be start. In the below they have given an example. So if we find EASI, so in the 13th place of the character we will get the answer. So next one is the fifth one, proper. So proper function in Excel capitalizes each word in the string, means converting a capital of the each word of the first string in case into a proper case. Converts in the case into a proper case means here the first case will be a capital, the first letter will be a capital, after all other words will be small letter. So considering first word from the letter. is a capital. So you can see the below example. So learn Excel easily. First L is a capital, E is a capital, and next easily from the E is a capital. So both L, E, E, only the first three letters of that word is a capital letter. Next one, repeat. Repeat function in Excel is used when you want to a certain text to be repeated certain number of times. So same the text you want to repeat many times, you did not write manually, you can use a repeat function, REPT, repeat function. For that you have to write a syntax, REPT, open bracket, write the text, how many times you want to repeat that text, write in the in front of that, so number of times. You can see the example. So this question was asked in 2017 for the 5 marks. Describe any 5 text function in MX Excel. So you can write 5 text function. The first one we call it as a left one, same as it is right also we will consider. The second one, len function for the length. Third one, mid function for the middle one. Find function to find proper function to capitalize a first word of that capital letter. Repeat function, how many times we want to repeat. So total we have explained today the 6 text functions. In the examination they have asked 5 functions. So minimum we have to write 5 text functions in the MS Excel with syntax. You have to write this one. Thank you.